Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today these are the 3 border designs we're going to work on, and the first one I think is my favorite. Let me know which one you like the best. Leave me a comment below. I always like hearing from my subscribers. And if you want to see my favorite art supplies, I have an Amazon link below in the description box, and I also list the stuff that I used today. So if you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you would do so. And I think that's about it for today. I need to go get some supper started, so I've been doing too much drawing. It's almost 6 o'clock in the afternoon and I don't even know what we're gonna eat. So anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Well, I guess I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Thanks guys.